Guys, today I'm going to share something with you that can completely change your life starting right now. So, right now I have seconds to be able to capture and hold your attention. Life is moving so fast and we are so easily distracted that we need to be practicing total self-awareness. Everything in our lives is competing for our attention. Advertisements are everywhere. All of our social media platforms want to keep us on as long as possible. It is very hard to keep focus, which inevitably falls on us. We have to learn to manage our attention in a way that supports our goals. Just as no one taught us how to do our taxes, we have to learn to manage our attention, and the first step is self-awareness. With your own thoughts, you have seconds to act on the task before your brain starts to rationalize something easier, like staying in bed or turning right to go home instead of left to go to the gym. In those seconds, we have to manage our thoughts to match our intentions before our brain takes over and finds the easier, softer way, which never gets anything done. We end up piling up our to-dos until we're so stressed out and we're so anxious that everything needs to be done right now, or we'll literally have a panic attack, and then we drive ourselves into the floor doing that. So what do? First, we have to become acutely aware of our thoughts, almost auditing them on a daily basis, which can be hard at first, but becomes easier with practice. Then we have to act within 5 seconds, according to Mel Robbins, or we lose that control. We build the habit of just doing without thinking, and over time, you actually lose the ability to let things fall by the wayside because it becomes more stressful to not have things done accordingly. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you to hit the subscribe button and like this video. It helps me a lot and I greatly appreciate it. This is how high performers are able to accomplish so much over the course of their lifetime, because they get things done and they do it right now. Start using this in your life today to build the habit of doing and watch your life change from stress and anxiety to pride and accomplishment. Once again, please follow, like, subscribe. I appreciate you. James out.